Aini nĩ maremetwo kũhitha kĩeha kĩao, na ũũ nĩ thutha wa ndeto cina kĩeha mũno kwĩyumĩria mũthenya wa ira kũgerera mũini Kamoko. Mũini ũyũ nĩ arakorirwo akĩitũrũra ngoro na oho kũruta warning na mũkana kũrĩ artist arĩa angĩ othe, akĩmera atĩ there is a certain place arathire ara perform no mararega kũmũrĩha. Na rĩu Kamoko took to his Facebook page to share the sad news and also for it to be a warning to his fellow artists, kuona atĩ he mũndũ ũrathaka na wĩra wao, he mũndũ ũrageria kũmanyũrũria, na aini aingĩ mũno nĩ marakorirwo makĩyumĩria o hamwe na ma DJs kũnyitanĩra na Kamoko gũkũmithia gĩko gĩkĩ. And Kamoko shared this on his Facebook page akiuga, hello fellow artists and DJs, this is a red light warning. Don't perform at this club called Stingers Palace in Ruaka opposite Havila without your full payment before the show, because the guy will start asking for renegotiation on the price you agreed after the show. If you don't agree on renegotiating, he decides what to pay and when to pay you. So finally nilimwambia lipa kenye unataka because I have people who work with me and they have families to feed, but hata hiyo pesa hajalipa mpaka sahi and he doesn't care. Julius Kibe, there is the number or whatever you call yourself. Shame on you. Kama huna pesa ya kulipa artist, kuna clients serious wako ready kufanya biashara. Sina time ya lawyers, I'm a busy man. Wasanii mjichunge. Samido, DJ Dibul, DJ Fatso, Josega Tutura, Night K Kamso, Tony Young Page, Waithaka wa Jane, Joyce wa Mama, Kajai Salim Official na Joy wa Masharia. Iyo niyo ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa Kamoko arakorirwo akĩrekereria akiuga atĩ this place kũrĩa aperformire rĩu nĩ maregete kũmũrĩha, na nĩ ratũthũrire ndereti nene mũno mwena wa Facebook. DJ Fatso wa mbere gũcomment akiuga wakwende huko, ona DJ Kariz akiuga Stinger Palace Lounge, lipeni Kamoko pesa zake shenzi nyinyi. Ona Gathe wa Njeri akiuga it is very wrong, they don't know we have people to feed. Ngai arona arĩa othe matharoraga wĩra wa aini. Ona Karwĩmbo Mũkũrinũ arauga hii tutawon hata customers na artist. Umesema Ruaka Stingers, na Kamoko aramũreply na kuga yes sir. Ona nginya Mũthende Genya arauga I hate this, wacha nimcall nimwachie kitukano mara hiyo. Ona Joy wa Masharia sio poa hata kidogo, I hope they will think about it and give you your money back. Na thutha wa ndeto ĩno gũtamba mũno, Stingers Palace Lounge nĩ marareplyire, they responded to Kamoko makiuga atĩ niwe wagire ku-advertise atĩ nĩ arathiĩ Stingers, he's the one who did not market enough, na koguo andũ makĩaga kwĩyumĩria wega, na that is how they were unable to pay him. Makiuga atĩ if you had advertised Stingers that you are going to perform on the 9th of September prior to the date the same way you are attacking us, there would have been an increase in sales, but you do not add any value to clubs if you don't add sales. You refused to sign a contract, you arrived late, and not a single group came with you to support. If you had added value, why should we stay with your money? Next time add sales. Pesa haipandwi kwa mti. And of course, Kamoko nĩ arakorirwo akiona response iyo ya Stingers, nake he clapped back to them akiuga atĩ you liars, go to my page, nikafanya mpaka video, nilimarket kuliko any other show last Friday I performed, La Cascada Miguela, Bar, Grill and Guest Hotel Ruaka, and it was full till morning. Your club is the problem, not me. We never agreed nibebe watu na basi za shule nilete huko Konokai. And even went ahead to share a screenshot of the video that he says he did of him marketing that he would be performing at Stingers. Niyo na akiuga, hii kuna mahali naambia watu wakuje kwa nyumba yangu kweli. There is the screenshot of the video. And he also added another response akiuga, Stingers Palace Lounge ungekuwa active hivi na kumarket hii club ingekuwa inajulikana, but mdomo tu after you have failed the club. Na thutha wa response ino ya Stingers Palace Lounge kwa marauga ati Kamoko no tamaketire show yake wega, riu aini ni maraihũrirwo ni marakara maingĩ ona makĩria ya hau mbere, makĩyũria ati aini nĩo mabatie ku market show tondu o wĩra wao ni perform, wĩra wao ni kũina, that is what they are paid to do, not to market show. They are not the ones supposed to market their own shows, that is not part of the deal. Na nginya Ndegwa wa Esther arauga, Stingers Palace Lounge, when did artists become marketers? And who told you artists should bring customers? Our work is to entertain your customers, not to hire buses to bring them to your club. Poor services lead to poor returns. Behave. Ona nginya Joy wa Masharia nĩ arakorirwo akiumbũra atĩ she was scheduled to perform there next month, no tondũ rĩu nĩ maregete kũrĩha Kamoko, she will not be performing there until marĩhe Kamoko mbeca ciake. Ona nginya mafans nĩ mareyumĩririe na njĩra nene mũno gũkũmithia gĩko gĩkĩ na kwenda Kamoko arĩhwo mbeca ciake, and above all that, wĩra wa aini ũtĩo. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.